Hey everyone, my name is Sanju and today me and my partner Sambit are going to present digital marketing tactical execution for coffee, tea and me. Basically, everyone likes to drink coffee, but for coffee, tea and me, the target market would be those early morning people who live nearby the store location, as well as passerbys who are up for quality cup of coffee, not to forget food bloggers and critiques as well. The strategic objectives of Coffee, Tea and Me is obviously to converse, connect, and collaborate via the different methods. The company should be focusing on strengthening their digital presence to gain more followers who meet the buyer persona, as well as to increase the brand awareness to a larger potential audience. So the first tactics would be to keep the audience engaged at all times. This can be achieved via conducting various types of media upload contests because many social media fans adore Instagram and Facebook contests and are specially engaged in the types that are involved in shooting and sharing original photos and videos. Contests may call for other platforms of self-expression as well, such as recipes, recordings, illustrations, poem, and more. The hashtag trend has also become the click to connect for bonding with like-minded people. When you put something out there, do a little hashtag research first or hash it out a unique phrase that reflects your brand. Hit that hash key and invite your followers to jump into hashtag content related. And simply posting a question would also help, whether done in a social stream, blog post, online group or community, or on a site, question answer site such as Quora. I have witnessed followers asking relevant, provocative, and timely questions. This creates some of the most engaging and thought-provoking social media activity of all. Nowadays, social media influencers are a big thing. A social media influencer is a user who has established credibility in a specific industry and has access to a huge audience and can persuade others to act based on their recommendations. An influencer may be anyone from a blogger to a celebrity or an online entrepreneur. They must simply capitalize on a niche to attain widespread credibility. However, the key is to select the right type of influencer that aligns with your business strategy. For brand awareness on a larger scale, Coffee, Tea and Me can attach their brand to a well-known food influencer via ambassadorial partnership. The influencer could be a high-profile celebrity or chef, public figure, or a food blogger, local spokesperson, anyone who resonates with your target market and creates a hype. Ambassadorial roles take on many forms, from creating content, hosting events, using their name and image to make the brand, driving sales and raising brand awareness. So the arrangement will depend on your KPIs and budget. Instead of leveraging influencers to distribute content about your brand, work with them to create content to use across your own platforms. Less maintenance yet highly effective way for food brands to work with influencer is an ongoing collaboration and sponsored post strategy. This is a groundswell approach to influencer marketing and allows you to tap into influencer across the spectrum, from top tier high profile digital influencers to micro influencer with a small but engaged following. And the third and final tactics would be doing a lot of social media advertising. It's normal if your coffee shop currently lacks an online following. There is very low chance that your content will be seen. Yes, even that fresh social media contest from above as well. When you are starting out, maybe your content will get no shares at all or less than 0.1% shares maybe. Facebook recent newsfeed update does not help either because it separates from people's newsfeed that do not relate to their interests, which is why many coffee shop owners turn to social media advertising. Social media advertising allows business to target their customers directly and ensure posts are being seen. This is currently the best way to kickstart a social media following, increase brand awareness, and bring more customers to your coffee shop from social media. Advertising options are offered by all major social networks, but not all will be a good fit for your business. The most popular social advertising platforms for coffee shop tend to be Facebook and Instagram as of now, which both run under the Facebook Ad Manager, and various factors are considered when creating an advertisement on Facebook and Instagram. To ensure your coffee shop advertising campaign is effective, there is a lot of time that has to be spent in understanding the platform, strategizing the campaign, and continuously optimizing ads when they are live. Thanks everyone for listening. Bye bye.